Hi, this video is about timescale and scaling your business. First of all, we want to talk about how much it will cost you just to get started. And what I mean by that is we call it a float. And this is the amount of money that you'll want to have as a safety net in your bank account to pay for the products on Amazon that you're selling on eBay. So you're selling on eBay, buying off Amazon. Now what will happen is that money that you receive on eBay actually received into PayPal. You receive into your PayPal account. Now you need to manually withdraw that, and you're instantly buying that product off Amazon using easync. So you'll need a little bit of money in there just as that buffer to make sure that you're covering yourself and you've got enough money always to buy that product before you're withdrawing the funds from PayPal. So we recommend £300 to £500.
Yeah, it's a small flow just to cover you. And I mean, fingers crossed. I mean, you might even get quite a big sale to start with. And if you only had £100 as a float or something, if the sales are over that, then obviously the order's going to fail.
Yeah. I mean, just so you know, like when we say you need to put this in, this money is going to be withdrawn at some point. You're going to pull this back out and let the profits build.
So, it's an initial investment.
Yeah.
And
like any business, you have an initial investment, and this is a float that's money that's going to be pulled back out.
It's a pretty small investment, really.
Yeah.
So see it as an investment, guys. Don't worry, it's not a cost, and just do it, really.
Yeah.
But anyway, so we want to talk about also the time frame, because obviously I think this is important for somebody, especially when you're starting a business. It's all new, it's all fresh, it's exciting, but it's also like you want to know when you're going to be seeing the profits, because that's why we're all doing this.
And this is what we've done to find out as well.
Yes, precisely. So with our personal experience, we're hoping you guys are going to get there a lot quicker, because you're going to know more of our tips and tricks which we didn't know. But from our experience, between 1 to 3 months, we were breaking even, and maybe even I think I lost £20 on my first month, but then made £20. So
I had a bit more of a fortunate start, so I did make money in my first month, but not everyone has who we've known who's been part of this, dropshipping journey and this business, this model that have been used.
Precisely. So just prepare for that. But either way, it's minor either way. So don't worry. First 1 to 3 months is pretty small time. However, the good thing is that you see growth in these first 3 months. One of the reasons why as well is because eBay have shop fees. We will talk about this as we go on. The more of a shop fee you pay, the much better of a deal you get with eBay. And so within these 1 to 3 months, we're actually going to be trying to climb your shop as quickly as possible.
Yeah.
And so this can be a bit frustrating, because you're like, but if I was in that shop, I'll be making money. Guys, once again, treat it like a business.
Yeah.
Think long term. Think a few months down the line, you're going to be so thankful that you sacrificed £100 and now you're making £1,000. You got to think like that.
So that's the first few months. We're looking to break even. Now we want to break past that point. We really want to push through break even, and it's the 4 to 6 month point where that growing, that effort, that time you put in with putting the right products on the right price ranges. Again, this will all be on the course. When you get to the 4 to 6 month point, where you are really looking to actually make a bit more, like making more money, real money. So we're talking really around £500 to £1,000 mark, and that's where it pushes through, and it does build quite quickly around that point. And your account as well will be much bigger by that stage, and you're going to be coached to that. So we're going to make sure that in the course, you're the 4 to 6 month point, you're kind of at that stage where you're ready to earn a little bit more money, and it's really grown to that point.
Definitely. I think on the 6th month, you should be making it between, at least 800, more like 1,000, maybe even a little extra. He was doing way more. But
I was all in on it though.
But don't let it get you down. If you're like, I was somebody who actually got a little bit down because my results didn't happen so quickly for me. Don't worry about it. Just be persistent. You've got to be persistent.
And it was just past the 6th month. It was around the 6th month point. You were like, this is getting better. Is it going to get better? It took, Matt's went to about 7 months, and that's when he started seeing these.
Seeing that kind of.
And remember, the first few months we didn't know what we knew now. So that Matt could have probably had a much better and quicker start if he knew what he knew then.
Definitely. 100%. But the fantastic news about this is after you get past the 6 month point, it's definitely a snowball effect as eBay. I mean, you know, we're now doing way more than that, and actually thinking about it, it was only a few months ago that we were at that point.
Yeah.
Which is crazy.
Yeah.
So it's a snowball effect, guys. It then becomes about how much time you can put into it, and also what you've done to set up yourself before within those 6 months. You know, how many listings can you get onto eBay? How consistent are you doing it? Are you delisting your poor performers? Sorry, I'm probably confusing
Yeah,
you
I was
a
about
bit.
to say, I was thinking, oh no, we're going to get to detail.
We're gonna go for it. But the point being is, you put the effort in, you treat it like a business.
Yeah.
Your snowball is gonna get much bigger.
Yeah.
Very quickly.
And just be persistent.
Be persistent.
Yeah.
That is the exciting bit about it.
Yeah.
That's
good video.
I think that's pretty much it.
Yeah.
So that's what you guys can expect within 6 months and onwards. I hope that sort of puts maybe to rest any nerves that you may have as well.
Yeah. Okay.
Cool. See you in the next video.